For this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Zoho in Outlook. So what you're going to do once you're here in Zoho, you're going to go to the settings over here at the right side. Then you're going to scroll down until you see Mail Accounts. Then you're going to click on IMAP, then click on IMAP Access, then click on Save. And after that, you're going to click on your profile, click on My Account, then click on Security, click on App Passwords, then click on Generate New Password. Then you're going to enter Outlook, then click on Generate. Then it will generate a password, then you're going to copy this. Now you're going to go to Outlook, then you will see this plus icon over here at the top, so click on that, then click on Add Email. Then you're going to enter your Zoho mail account. Then click on Continue. And from here, you're going to click on Sign In. Then you're going to enter the password that you copied. Then click on Add Account. And after that, you'll be able to add Zoho to Outlook. So that's it. Thanks for watching.